In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use FlexClip Video Editor. First, open your browser and head to the FlexClip website. Log into your account so your projects save automatically. On the dashboard, click Create New Video. You'll be asked how you want to start. If you want total creative freedom, choose a blank project. If you prefer a faster setup with polished layouts, pick a template and replace the placeholders with your own content. Either way, you're in control. Next, bring in your media. On the left panel, click Media. Upload your videos, photos, and any audio files you plan to use. Organize your uploads so you can find them quickly, and try to use the highest quality versions you have for the best results. Now add your content to the project, drag your files down into the timeline or storyboard at the bottom, arrange them in the order you want them to appear. Feel free to move clips around until the sequence tells your story clearly and keeps a good pace. To refine each shot, click a clip in the timeline. Use trim to clean up the start and end. If you need to remove a section in the middle or rearrange moments, use split to divide the clip. Rotate or crop to fix orientation or frame your subject better. And if a moment needs more energy or drama, adjust the speed to speed it up or slow it down. Small intentional changes go a long way. Add your messaging by clicking Text. Choose a title for your opener and subtitles for on-screen captions. Customize the font, color, and animation so it matches your style. Keep text large enough to read and use strong contrast against the background. For sound, go to Music. Add background music to set the mood and drop in sound effects for emphasis. You can also record your own voiceover right inside the editor. Balance the levels so narration is clear, and use gentle fades at the beginning and end of tracks. To smooth things out, add transitions between clips. Simple fades and slides usually look the most professional. Consider filters or overlays to create a consistent visual tone without overdoing it. If you're building a brand, insert elements like stickers, icons, and your logo as a watermark. Keep sizes, colors, and placement consistent so the design feels cohesive. When you're ready, hit play to preview the whole video. Watch for timing, visual flow, audio balance, and any typos in text. Finally, click Export. Choose your resolution, 720p for smaller files or 1080p for crisp quality, then download your video or share it online. And that's it. You've built a polished video in FlexClip.